craving to eat Maggi? Concerned about the starch in it?
There is an easy way to get rid of starch from Maggi noodles, and this is also the best way to eat it.
Welcome to Supatya. Today we are taking a healthy version of Maggi, that is atta or wheat noodle. Place the container on the gas stove, light the gas on medium flame, ensure you have enough water in it to fill the surface of the noodles so that the noodles are immersed completely. You see, I'm placing the noodles in the water and allow the water to boil. Now cover the container with the lid. You can see the starch mixed with the water. Drain the water from the noodles using a strainer and also keep a container beneath. You can see the starch mixed with the water. There is an oily formation. One thing you need to notice, this also drains the salt content in the Maggi. You will need to add the spices separately to make the taste of Maggi better.